Cell Singularity has an update. Let's check it out. I thought the Cell Singularity is gonna end, but it's not yet. It's in the beyond phase. Let's look at this. The latest version is in 9.3 in August 24, 2021. And we got past that to August 24, but we're in August 2031, which is a little bit doing. Come on, update. Let me show it in Play Store because see. Last updated.
Yeah, I did.
So
I think I will be having fun.
future modern days. Monkeys will survive in the next evolution. I think we're also gonna find out to see if we're doing the Beyond tours expansion. We're just finding for the Beyond or something. We added 25 more Darwinium to the game.
Okay.
Which means I need to add a time warp. Wait. Later. Come on. We're also gonna do some time warps. Yep. We got enough. And we got something. And then we got some more research, and then we didn't get it. Oh, God. Damn it. Oh, well, I didn't get the fixed click thingy. I don't know if if it was figured out. Or no, we're just going to click it. Maybe it hasn't updated to Beyond. What am I going to do? Click on it? Having to into an on the zillion. What am I gonna do? 10 to zillion. Is there anything here? No. There is damn nothing. Oh God. Oh God. Oh God. This is so frustrating on how to go to the Beyond. They're still working on the Missouri Valley. Which means we're gonna do Grow Animals Part 1 again. We're gonna see here's a Grow Animals Day. So, before I made a YouTube channel about how singularity, about blobbers, we got to grow animals. We're supposed to do that since we got it. Now we have the rare one, and the unlocking red series. We'll do it. Where is the formula? What is this? Okay. Nope. Oh man, okay. Let's add a new formula. Oh, is it gonna be humans? Coolness. Is our hidden blanket? Nope. And the keys for the formula. Yes. Let's grow it. Let's see. Strength. He needs a couple of strengthers. We need to copy it. We need to give him more strength. Only a little bit of heat. And loads of love. We gotta create humans. Yep, we're gonna create humans. We're gonna play Go Animals. Just a minute. Okay. How's everybody? Sit down. I'm gonna create my girlfriend. Is this another dark whale? Goodness gracious. Is this another dark whale? God. I'm so mad. Is it gonna be another cat or a human? What else are we gonna do? Are we gonna invent a human? Yes or no? Oh, there's spam. Come on, you darn whales! Come on! Okay. This is a unicorn? To be a unicorn, I think. It looks like a human cell and a darn whale again! Yeah. I am so mad at darn whales. They make me sick. They make me sick. They make me sick. It's a baby horse. I like it. I like it. We're gonna grow a Mustang. Stash. What's the share? What do you like it?
What do you like it?
What will you eat? Eddie, you'll eat like that adobo. That adobo that I taste smells bad. But how about you, Eddie? Just eat that adobo. Adobo.
It smell bad yung bird mo eh.
Hoy! Bakit?
It smell bad eh.
Don't tell them that I am super bad. Oh, don't tell him about that. Don't tell him about that.
Bakit naman?
Ooh. People will call me a smarty.
That's what you gonna do.
I'm gonna be fires. I could be like a fire. Fire. Let's just use some strength and more smart. Cute. What's the formula again? God. Okay, so also gonna give some relax to everyone in the world. Like trying I fucking what else I gonna do running and fucking relax. I fucking relax it.
bagal lumabas sa mga teeth niya. Saka, yan ang age gap na dapat may supplement na milk.
Ito,